Welcome to another house tour. My name is Lester, and sa araw na to, we'll be showing you Jasmine dito sa Tanauan Park Place. If you're interested, please keep on watching. So before that, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to our channel para you'll be updated for the future uploads, and also check out our social media channels on Facebook and other platforms. So what you're seeing now is Jasmine, which has two versions actually. You can have it the single attach, and you can have it extended. What that means is yan, meron siyang side na additional. But pretty much yung loob na niya is very similar, pero may konting difference lang, which I'm gonna show you today. So first up, I want you to appreciate yung look niya. It's very modern, and these are very affordable housing. So talagang, and I will let you know one secret. Ito nga yung tinitirhan namin actually. So we also got another unit na binili, which will be yung Linnea. I have another video for that as well. So check that out on our channel. So link ko na rin dito sa video na to. Pero sige, let's have a tour on the standard or single attached unit niya. As you can see, may space siya dito sa unahan. Most na owners ng Jasmine is in-extend nila yan. Konting bubong, and then garden or parking. This is a bare unit. So wala pang tiles, wala pang paint, wala pang ceiling. Ayan, ito. Maganda to. You'll see a good idea of how it looks like yung provision niya sa Jasmine. Of course, you can have your living area, dining room, kitchen, on the same room. And then, meron pa siyang space for potentially a carport or a garage. Ayan, 4 meters siya doon, 1.5 meter, 1.75. And then, sa likod niya, meron pang service area. So, ito siya. Some people have their kitchens inside. This one is definitely a dirty kitchen, laundry area. So there's things you can do here. Tapos, of course, CR is very spacious then. So, ayan, as you can see, it's very good space for everything you need, especially if you're a family just starting out. And kompleto na rin siya ng mga plugs and of course your breakers, ilaw. Tara sa taas para you'll see what we have upstairs. Again, this is bare, so talagang it's just all concrete for now. Pero the idea is for you to have the flexibility to do your own preference and your styling, your own layout for the house. One of the best part nitong Jasmine is yung sizes ng mga windows niya. As you can see, malalaki siya, diba? I personally like it that way. Tapos, ayan, you can have 2 bedrooms here, one here and another one here. Yun mismo yung ginawa namin. And yan, kompleto na rin siya ng electrical and yung mga plugs natin. So, yeah, this is available in Tanauan, but there are also options in Calamba, Santo Tomas, Batangas, and to be one of the best buy that you'll be getting if you decide to get a Jasmine unit. So if you're interested with this unit, check out our contact information in the description box below. You can also check our link for a form that you can fill out para we can get your information, then we can get back to you. And we can talk about how you can get the Jasmine unit or any other unit na we show in this channel. So I hope this helps. I hope to see you in our other house tours. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you sa next house tour. Bye-bye.